Hi, my name's Chandler from World Gone Silent. Today I want to participate in a bit of an online video trend, the unboxing video. In this box is the World Gone Silent Deluxe Starter Kit. I want to show you what's in this kit and what you get. First, we're going to need a knife. It's not a knife. It's not a big knife, but it's good enough to open a box. All right, here we go. Here it is Deluxe Starter Kit. Let's yank this out of the box and see what we get here. We've got the backpack, all of our stuff. Pull open this plastic. Got the World Gone Silent patch on there. Look at that patch. We've got a starter card. Now you've got a plan and some basic instructions on the back for exactly how to get started. Pop this open. Inside this bag here is everything you'll need. Let's open this guy up. Alright, first we've got a programming cable. There's your programming cable. We talked about these cables in the last video on Chirp and how to use that. All of our cables are tested and verified, and we've used each one to program a radio before it ends up in one of our bags. Next, we've got these guys, a pair of antennas. These antennas have been tested to make sure that they can extend the range of your radio, not just because it makes the end of the antenna higher, but also because it's just better configured to work with your radio for receiving and transmit. There's your antennas. Got a couple of these guys, a battery pack that can go into the radio. You can drop some AA batteries in there and use that to operate your radio instead of relying on commercial power. Let's see what else we got in here. There's the Bofang BF-F8HP. This is their 8-watt high-power radio. Like the cables, each one of them has been tested and pre-programmed to make sure that it can send and receive information, that it can be programmed, that it works. So that way you don't end up with a dud, and you don't know if the problem is you or the radio. In all of our kits, I promise it's not the radio. That's the Bofang. See what else we got in here. Well, we've got another radio. This is our deluxe kit, so you get 2 of nearly everything. You're only going to get 1 of the cables, but you only need 1 cable. You'll get 2 of the radios, 2 of the antennas, 2 of the battery packs. What else do we have? This is key. This is the World Gone Silent Getting Started Kit manual. There's the manual. This covers everything that you need to know to get involved in amateur radio that isn't covered in the test itself. How to program the radio, how to set up the radio, how to find repeaters and how repeaters work, what chirp is and how chirp works. A lot of the stuff that got covered in our earlier videos. These 2 guys right here, those guys, that is your subscription to Ham Test Online. Subscription code's on the back. As soon as you get the kit, plug in your code and get started. And as you can see, there are 2 of those as well. Those beautiful geniuses at Ham Test Online. That's what you get in our World Gone Silent Getting Started kit. If you're interested in getting one of these kits yourself, you can always come to worldgonesilent.com and go ahead and pick up one of our deluxe starter kits. We also have an individual starter kit, which is 1 of everything, and even a basic kit, which has just the stripped down fundamentals. Thanks so much for watching. Oh, I almost forgot. If you like our videos and you've decided you want to get involved in ham radio, use the code VID20 at checkout and you can get 20 bucks off any of our starter kits. Thanks so much for watching.